Thanks for joining us at XM.com for this Forex Preview video. I'm Christina Marujos, and joining me today is investment analyst Mario Hadjikyriacos. We'll be having a look at the European Central Bank meeting on Thursday. Now, Mario, so the ECB will conclude its policy meeting on Thursday. A new easing package is widely expected. However, there is talk that a bigger package might be on its way in order to weaken the surging euro. Is that the most plausible scenario?
Hello, Christina. Well, actually, I don't think so. So let me explain my thinking. The ECB has already told us that they will deliver something at this meeting. They told us back at the previous meeting, the economy is going downhill, we have the new lockdowns, so we will most probably deliver something new in December. Well, here we are, but the problem the ECB is facing is that this easing package has already been so well telegraphed to the markets that it's probably fully priced in by now. And yet, the euro continues to soar. Now, why is that a problem? A stronger currency can hold back economic growth and inflation. And considering that the eurozone is already in deflation, an even stronger currency could be a real headache for the ECB. So ideally, the ECB wants to over-deliver this time. It's expecting a QE package of 100 billion euros. They could deliver 750 or even a trillion, and that could sink the euro. Now, the question is, how likely is that and what kind of appetite there is for that? And my sense is there isn't that much appetite. Why? The Governing Council has always been divided between doves and hawks. The doves argue, we are in a crisis, we should go all out, the risks of not doing enough are greater than the risks of doing too much. But the hawks argue, interest rates are already at zero, the benefits of doing massive QE here would be minimal, and we could even encourage excessive speculation in the markets. So while I do think there's going to be a consensus for a 500 billion package, I'm having difficulty imagining the Governing Council agreeing to 750 or more. So, long story short, I see a risk that the market is disappointed by the overall size of this package, and if so, that would argue for a spike higher in the euro.
Now, Mario's looking beyond this policy meeting, however, what do you think is the longer-term outlook for the single currency?
That's a very interesting question because we've already seen the euro surge very substantially recently. Now, I would argue that beyond the ECB meeting, the outlook depends on external factors. So specifically, what will happen with Brexit and how big of a stimulus package the US Congress will deliver. So, for example, if we see a Brexit deal, that could lift the pound, but it could also lift the euro, and this may be the new upside catalyst for the currency. If we get no deal, we may see substantial correction lower. Now, the US dollar has weakened lately quite substantially because of expectations for more stimulus, so it will be interesting to see how much the Congress delivers. And I think those two factors combined will determine whether or not this euro rally still has some miles left in the tank.
Marius, thank you for joining me today, and thank you for watching this Forex Preview on the European Central Bank meeting on Thursday here at XM.com.